Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. If you're into drones or aerial content creation, you do not want to miss this video. DJI is gearing up for a massive 2025 with a wave of new drones, packed with smarter tech, longer flight times, better cameras, and features that blur the line between casual flying and pro-level filmmaking. In this video, we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors about DJI's upcoming drone lineup, including the powerful Neo 2, the cinematic Avata 3, the compact Flip 2, the versatile Air 4, the immersive FPV 2, and the ultra-portable Mini 5 Pro. We'll break down what each of these drones might offer, from design changes to camera upgrades and new flight features. So stick around to see what DJI has in store, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Factic, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech drops. Number 6, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a big leap forward for the Air series, blending high-end features with user-friendly design. One of the biggest upgrades is the battery life, rumored to hit 46 minutes. That's a serious boost, letting creators fly longer without rushing or swapping batteries mid-shoot. Another major improvement is the transmission system, expected to offer up to 15 kilometers of range with ultra-low latency. That means smoother live video and more reliable control, even over long distances. Great for both casual users and pros. Design-wise, the Air 4 sticks with DJI's winning formula: foldable, lightweight, and portable. But leaks suggest stronger materials and a more refined build for better durability and wind resistance. A redesigned gimbal could bring steadier footage, even during fast movement or bad weather. Camera rumors are exciting too. The Air 4 may pack a 1-inch sensor for sharper detail, richer colors, and better low-light performance. There's also talk of a dual camera setup, offering both wide-angle and telephoto views. Video might reach 5.4K at 60 FPS, giving creators more flexibility for editing. For features, expect Active Track 6.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and a new Follow Me Plus mode to make tracking smoother and smarter. This makes the Air 4 ideal for dynamic shots of people, vehicles, or action scenes. The Air 4 could also support DJI's latest goggles, RC controllers, and bring Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster file sharing and stronger device integration. In short, the DJI Air 4 looks like the perfect mid-range drone, easy for beginners, powerful enough for pros. If the leaks are accurate, this could be DJI's most balanced drone yet for creators on the move. Number 5, the DJI Flip 2 may look small, but this compact drone is packed with smart features and serious performance upgrades. It's designed for indoor use, content creators, and casual flyers who want a safe, high-quality, and portable flying experience. A standout design feature is its fully enclosed propellers, perfect for indoor flights or tight outdoor spaces, as they reduce the risk of damage or injury. Its sub-250-gram weight also keeps it under many regulatory limits, making it easy to travel with and fly legally in more places. Despite its tiny form, the Flip 2 is expected to include a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K HDR video at 60 FPS and high-quality RAW photos. With 4x digital zoom and a wide 82.1-degree field of view, this drone is surprisingly versatile for everything from vlogging to landscape shots. Battery life is impressive too. A 3,110 mAh battery gives it around 30 minutes of flight time, which is solid for its size. DJI may also offer a multi-battery charging hub, keeping you flying longer with less downtime. It's not just about video, this drone is smart. Features like Active Track, quick shots, including boomerang and helix, and improved gesture controls make it fun and easy to use. An updated controller design improves grip and response, while LED lights boost visibility during low-light conditions. All this makes the Flip 2 ideal for vloggers, hobbyists, and beginners alike. Whether you're flying indoors, on the move, or filming creative shots, it balances performance and safety in a travel-friendly form. If the rumors hold up, the Flip 2 could become one of the most user-friendly and capable mini drones on the market. Number 4, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks to be DJI's most advanced ultralight drone to date, targeting travelers, vloggers, and casual pilots with a powerful mix of portability and high-end features. Still rumored to stay under 250 grams, the Mini 5 Pro will remain friendly with global flight regulations, meaning fewer legal hurdles for flying in different regions. But despite its small size, it's expected to pack a serious punch. The headline feature is the camera. Leaks suggest a 1-inch or 1.3-inch sensor, delivering excellent low-light performance, better dynamic range, and sharper detail. The camera may support 4K at 120 FPS, 10-bit color, and a wider aperture, offering footage quality typically found in larger drones. Flight time is expected to stretch beyond 40 minutes, with smarter charging options that reduce downtime. This makes the Mini 5 Pro not just lightweight, but also long-lasting. Great for travel shoots or capturing golden hour scenes without rushing. DJI might reinforce the drone's frame with stronger materials, improving wind resistance and durability without increasing bulk. That means it can handle more demanding conditions while still fitting in a small bag. New smart features are also likely. These include 360° obstacle detection, upgraded active track, and refined gesture controls, along with cinematic one-tap modes and app-based editing tools. These additions make it easier for casual users to shoot pro-looking footage straight from the drone. Overall, the Mini 5 Pro could become the ultimate travel drone, ultralight, powerful, intelligent, and ready for creators on the go. If the rumors are accurate, this could be DJI's best compact drone yet. Number 3. The DJI Avata 3 is poised to revolutionize the cinematic FPV drone category with a major sensor and stability upgrade. Leaks suggest it will be one of DJI's most capable FPV drones yet. Designed for immersive flying with enhanced image quality and intelligent control, the biggest rumored upgrade is a 1-inch camera sensor, a huge jump from the Avata 2. This means you can expect better color accuracy, sharper details, and dramatically improved low-light performance. Combined with raw video recording and new picture profiles, it gives creators powerful options in post-production. Flight time is also expected to increase from 23 to around 30 minutes. This may not sound like much, but for FPV pilots, those extra minutes matter. The improvements come from redesigned motors and optimized power management, offering more efficient flying without sacrificing agility. Stabilization could get a serious boost too. While rocksteady has been solid, leaks hint at enhanced digital stabilization or even a mechanical gimbal, which would significantly improve smoothness during fast, complex maneuvers. The Avata 3 also focuses on safety and usability. 360° obstacle detection is expected, making indoor and close proximity flights safer, especially for new pilots. A new O4 transmission system could deliver cleaner live video with less lag and improved range. Additionally, the Avata 3 may come with upgraded motion controllers, more comfortable FPV goggles, and better durability through improved materials and cooling systems. This drone blends creative flexibility, safety, and high-speed fun into one powerful FPV package. If the Avata 3 launches with even half these features, it could set a new standard in FPV drone filmmaking and become the go-to drone for FPV content creators in 2025. Number 2. The DJI FPV-2 is expected to push immersive drone flying to bold new heights. Built on the success of the original DJI FPV, this second-generation model promises upgrades that enhance both speed and control, while also being more accessible to beginners. One of the key upgrades is the redesigned airframe. Leaks suggest a lighter build made from new materials, improving both agility and durability. Combined with refined aerodynamics, this could result in smoother, more responsive flight performance, perfect for high-speed chases or cinematic FPV shots. The camera system is also getting a serious bump. Rumors point to a larger image sensor, possibly with 4K video at higher frame rates, enhanced low-light capabilities, and ultra-low latency for real-time responsiveness. This would give pilots sharper visuals, whether racing through forests or capturing dramatic landscapes. Battery life could improve to 25+ minutes, which is impressive for an FPV drone. This longer flight time makes the FPV-2 more practical for real-world filming or extended practice runs. To support deeper immersion, DJI is rumored to be launching new goggles with higher resolution and a wider field of view, enhancing the visual experience during flights. Connectivity upgrades like OcuSync 4.0 or even Wi-Fi 6 could allow smoother live feeds with extended range. Safety won't be left behind either. Leaks suggest features like improved obstacle detection, return to home, and new assisted flight modes to help beginners ease into the FPV experience without the crash risk. In short, the DJI FPV-2 is aiming to be the best of both worlds. Intense speed and visuals for pros, and smarter, safer flight for those just getting into FPV. It's set to be a must-have for thrill seekers and creators alike. Number 1, the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be DJI's smartest and most powerful drone yet, blending AI intelligence with serious pro-grade performance. According to leaks, this drone is aimed at advanced users and professionals who need power, reliability, and adaptability in one foldable machine. The standout feature is the rumored AI-powered flight system. This allows the Neo 2 to make real-time decisions mid-flight, ideal for complex environments like urban zones, construction sites, or dynamic landscapes. Paired with 6-way obstacle sensing, the drone can navigate tight areas with confidence and safety. Battery life is another game-changer. With a reported 60-minute flight time, the Neo 2 could become the longest-flying consumer drone DJI has made. This is ideal for aerial filmmakers, surveyors, or anyone needing extended sessions without constantly swapping batteries. Camera specs are top-notch too. A 1-inch 20-monopere sensor, adjustable aperture, 5.4K video at 60 FPS, and 10-bit color support bring it into serious content creation territory. Expect cinema-level quality with vibrant colors, smooth dynamic range, and excellent low-light handling. Other enhancements include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a redesigned controller with a built-in screen, eliminating the need for a smartphone. The new propulsion system may push speeds up to 65 mph, making it perfect for fast action tracking. Overall, the Neo 2 looks like a future-proof drone built for professionals. If the leaks hold true, it could redefine what's possible in drone intelligence and endurance, all while keeping portability in check. For creators and pros looking for an edge, the Neo 2 might be the drone to beat in 2025. And that wraps up our look at DJI's exciting 2025 drone lineup, from the pro-focused Neo 2 to the FPV-ready Avata 3 and FPV 2 and compact powerhouses like the Mini 5 Pro and Flip 2. There's something in this release cycle for every kind of pilot. If even half these features turn out to be true, we're in for a game-changing year in drone tech. So, which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Are you more into cinematic footage, long-range exploration, or just want something fun and easy to fly? We want to hear it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Factic and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future drone and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep flying smart and stay tuned for more from Factic.